We're in the Forsaken waiting lobby. I don't know why, but I feel like doing this, but the voice actor for Springtrap and all those other characters is not here, so it's just gonna be me voice acting, and I'll just skip when the round starts, even though this is in real life. But okay, here we go. Okay, John, don't chasing me. What are you doing? Guys, what do you think he's doing? Oh. I wonder what happens when I step in that. Oh, now I'm slower. Get back here. What does he do? Oh, he spawned spikes. Sorry, buddy, but those can't really hold up by this. Alright, 12 damage. I can't calculate stuff right now, so like, I'm just at 69 HP. There we go. Wait, is this a clone? Yeah. Oh, you get back here. And this is a little awkward. Could you stop chasing me? Wait, he's placing. Okay, Mr. Crample Hand, what are you placing down? A digital footprint. I just went blind. Still, I cheated. How? I extended the timer. How are you doing that? This is an LMS. Waste. Little trick for me. Toy Bonnie. You really think I'm gonna fall for that? Well, you did because the round's over.